Assalamu alaikum. This is Binte Zehra, and today I have come up with a new topic, a new video. Many parents ask me about introducing even and odd numbers to their children. So I thought to make a video on this topic, and for this I have taken the Montessori material, counter and cards. In this box, we have two compartments, one for the number cards. These are from 1 till 10. And the second compartment is for the counters. We have 55 red counters here. Now, before introducing the topic even and odd to the child, we have to make sure that the child must be able to recognize the numbers from 1 till 10. The child must be able to arrange them in sequence, and the child must be able to relate the numbers and quantities. Okay, then we can present this material to the child. So you have to bring the material to the place where you want to present it to the child. Take the cards out and place them randomly on the table. Once all the cards are placed, you have to ask the child which number will come first. The child will say number 1. When the child tells, take the card of 1 and place it here on top. Then ask the child what comes next after 1. The child will say 2. Ask him to find number 2 and place it with a little gap after number 1. Similarly, ask the child what comes after 2. The child will say 3. Ask him to find the number and the child will place it after a little gap. In this way, you have to arrange the number till 10. When all the numbers are arranged, ask the child to read the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now ask the child the first number. This is 1. Ask him to take one counter from the box. 1. When the child takes out the counter, count it to rectify. This is 1 and show him how to place it. 1. This is 2. Ask the child to take out two counters. When the child takes out, show him how to place it. 1, 2. Ask the child the next number. This is 3. Ask him to take out three counters. Count them to rectify. 1, 2, 3. And show him how to place the counters. 1, 2, and the third counter we will place in the middle because it does not contain any pair. We have to ask the child if we have one more. The child will say no, so we have to tell him that we will place it in the center because it does not have its partner. Now ask the child which number is this? 4. Ask him to take out four counters. Count them and then place it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Show him how to place the counters. 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Ask the child to take out 5 counters. Count them and then arrange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show the child how to arrange the counters. 4. And because the fifth one does not contain its pair, so we will place it in the center. Now, after arranging the quantities till number 5, you can ask the child if the child wants to continue till 10. Ask him which number is this? This is 6. He will take out 6 counters. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the child will arrange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. The child will take out 7 counters. And the child is going to arrange them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 will come in the middle. This is 8. The child will take out 8 counters. And the child is going to arrange them after rectifying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9. The child will take out 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ask the child to arrange them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the last one, this is 10. The child will take out 10 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The child is going to arrange them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So in this way, the child is going to arrange the numbers and quantities from 1 till 10. As we are done with all the counters, it means all the counters are placed properly and correctly. So in this way, you have to present this material to the child for a few more days, so the child will be able to master this skill. And after some days, after a few days, when you will see that the child is arranging them properly and is not having any kind of difficulty in this, then you can intervene. When the child has arranged all the numbers and counters, then intervene in the middle, and now you can show the child the concept of even and odd numbers. Okay, so for introducing even and odd numbers, you can have a pencil and tell the child that I'm going to pass the pencil through the counters, and let's see if the number is open or if it is shut. Pass it through number 1. As we cannot pass the pencil, so this is shut. So 1 is shut. Pass it. This is open. This is shut. This is open. This is shut. This is open. Sorry. This is shut. This is open. This is shut. This is open. So in this way, you have to show the child that some of the numbers are open and some of the numbers are shut. Now tell the child that we are going to separate the open numbers and the numbers that are shut. So ask the child that let's put all the open numbers down. Okay, so in this way, you need to separate the open and shut numbers and ask the child if he can read all the numbers that are shut. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Ask him to say it a few more times. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And tell the child that the numbers that are shut are called odd numbers. All the numbers that are shut are called odd numbers. Can you read all the shut numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these numbers are shut and we call them odd numbers. These are odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers because they are closed, they are shut. Okay, now ask the child to read all the open numbers again, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and tell the child that all the numbers that are open are even numbers. The numbers that are open are called even numbers. Can you read the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These all are even numbers. So in this way, we give the concept of even and odd numbers to the child, and the same goes even with the bigger number as well, the numbers that are greater than 10. So if if we can have the number 13, so we have to see the last digit of the number, which is 3, and we have to see if 3 is even or odd. If 3 is odd, then 13 would also be odd number. So in this way, we can give the concept to the child. Later on, first you have to stick to the numbers from 1 till 10 to have the child gain the concept, and later when the child has grasped the concept, then we can introduce the numbers that are greater than 10. So like if it is 56, tell the child that look at the last digit, last number, which is number 6 in 56. So if 6 is even or odd, the child will say 6 is even number. So if 6 is even number, then 56 is also even number. And through this material, later on, we can introduce the child the divisibility of the number as well. That we can introduce in another video. Also, let me show you how you can make this material at home, because usually we don't have the Montessori material in our home environment as well. So what you can do is you can have the set of cards for numbers 1 till 10. Just have them printed, cut them, laminate them, and so when you laminate them, this will be long lasting. And you can cut the counters. These are from a carton box. You can cut the circles of the same size, and the circles should be 55. Okay, so you can have these circles for the counters, or you can have 55 buttons for the counters. You can have red buttons. So in this way, you can have this material at home as well. Okay, so I hope you all will like the video, and this would be a great help for parents who want to introduce even in odd numbers to their children, and you can show it to your child as well, so he would have get a clear concept of even in odd numbers. Thank you for watching it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.